Hello everyone, it's me, mosestoy3. Today we are playing Build a Boat for Treasure. So guys, I'm not like a ultra pro this game, guys. We're just about starting now. Okay. So guys, what I play is you just gotta put blocks down from the hammer. And the X means you just gotta click the X and you can click them to get rid of them. Let's see how big it's gonna be. Oh, wait. Yeah. Now see this. This. And I just click at everything. That. And the treasure chests. Okay, go right here. And the front needs one in the front. Go right here. It's two, go right here. There. Go right there. I know this is a very bad boat. Don't get mad at me in the comments. But it is just a little bit too far. Okay, good, that's good. Ready? Okay, we're ready for takeoff. Whoa. Oh god. Oh, I should have done that. Oh no. Oh no. Is there a way we could get? Oh no. Oh no, I should have not done that. Now we're really gonna die, bro. Oh no, what people would say in the chat. Oh no. Well, at least I got the flag. It's a big shield on up front. So, scrap that last support. Engage in rocks. My beautiful helmet. My ninja helmet. How could you destroy my ninja helmet? Oh no, how could they? They blew up, destroyed my ninja helmet. No, my chest. I have some things in there. Oh god. Oh no! Oh, wait, how much am I looking for? 16, okay, not bad, not bad. Can I get driver's seat? I'm gonna make it's not that loser. Wait, where is this even happening then? Never mind. I just want to keep watching the chat because this seems kind of funny, like bunnies, like chubby bunnies. Chubby bunnies are funny. Put in the comments, chubby bunnies are funny. Get that. Oh man. Sideways. Sideways. Just. If you try to come along with me, that happened. Wait, I'm gonna put in this is This is mine. But give God to spell turf. Dude, move. Get away. You AFK, bro? Because you can't be trying to board me ship and be AFK. I think it makes it move, dude. Real legit, move. You in the way. Thank you. You're in the way. I'm trying to see what I can build, but I can't because I got bacon hair or whatever in my face. Use that. Sure, I guess I can join my team. Wait, is this the same guy? Okay. I'm ready for launch this time. Wait, I use everything? Yep. And after this, I think I'll buy something, guys. Oh no, don't fall down. Are you serious? Wait, look at the birthday in the chair. You guys see the bacon hair in the chair? Oh, you hear the music? Oh no. How can we switch around somehow? Oh no, we got something big. Oh no, my chest. Oh god. Let's see if we can make this round and make it like $26. Oh no. Oh. Ah! Oh, how's that stand up? When it breaks, it stands up. What? Oh god. How am I still standing? Ah! How am I still standing? Standing by! At least I got my safety helmet on. Oh god. Oh no. Oh, sass. Oh shoot. Oh god. Oh, sassy my guns. Okay, am I gonna go make a choose them or? Oh, ooh. Let's see if I can make it. Wait, I need to get to the side somehow. Wait, how do I get to the side? Let me get to the side. I need to get to the side. Let me get to the side. No. Wait. I'm still alive? Ha! That's about late. Okay, we got 24. I was expecting more than that. Wait. Oh no. Oh, I was like, wait, I didn't click claim. Guess I can see what they got. Okay. Let's see if we got. I don't care about flex. Guess I could buy one more. Okay, so I think I may build one more boat, and that's it for the videos. No, 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 no. Okay. Okay, use 2 stools. Create the torch. Okay, oh my god. Ready? Take off time. This is the last. No, oh no. If this falls on the floor again, I'm up. Wait, what was that red thing? Or was that coming from this? What's that torch? I feel no. What the? Oh no! I'm so dumb. No! Why did I just do that? No! No! My boat! My ship! Hey, that boat is mine! You belong to me! Stop! No! Why? No! Why did I do that? No! My poor ship! Wait! Wait! No! No! Wait! Wait, I'm your master! Wait for your master! No, wait! Please, wait for your master! No, please, please, my poor boat! My poor boat that went up on its own is still young! No, don't go by yourself! No, I see my... You see the boat? I just saw it down there. No, my poor... But wait. Can I just walk all the way to the end? I think I may be able to do that. If I do that, am I technically cheating? But I mean, I can't record. It's gonna take forever. Later, let's see if I can make it. Guys, I died. Ooh, 24. I went much further. Is it because of the bow? I jumped at the first one. That's all I get. I feel like I keep getting 24. Anyway, guys, if this video, if you click that big like and subscribe button. Comment down below if you guys want me to do more of Build a Bow. Bye.